So everything's just shit right now.
Yeah, trust.
You just moved in as well, like you're getting double whammy
Mm,
increases.
I know. And then obviously with the interest, the base rate going up,
Yeah,
that's gonna mean mortgages will become more expensive soon. Should be good fun.
you're on flexible rate at the moment.
No, I want a fixed rate. I want
Yeah,
a fixed rate for the minute, but I only did a 2-year contract to
okay.
start with. Um, but yeah, we'll see. Right, got the YouTube going. No news today, right?
I think so. Sure. Nothing. Pretty dry day overall.
Cool.
Not really much this week either. Again,
That's alright.
HPI Friday. We got. Yeah, not much.
Okay.
But yeah, the trading view chart is so crisp now.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so much better.
So much better. Agree with you there. Right, let's get the music. Get the music on. Yeah. There you go. Good morning, YouTube. Right, I need to report this account that's clearly stolen my photos as well. Who is that person, man?
I don't get it because like they've uploaded every single bit of every single post has been uploaded. I'm pretty sure like over the past even.
Evening.
Yeah, like all of them have been like a few hours ago. So they've copied all your posts, just pasted them onto their page.
Man. Right, what was the account called, sir? I'll have to report them now.
Find it. Pearl Pearl
Yeah.
Gerald what 01.
I bet they've blocked me. Pearl Gerald. Oh what? Oh yeah, I found it. Who is this?
Life is beautiful. I am beautiful.
My God, they've literally nicked all my posts.
Yeah, and you're a couple of love. But there's something like their most recent post is like really like old still. These are still like your old posts.
Yeah, these are like, why? Why? Oh, I don't know, man. They've even what's the word? Yeah, they've even taken all the right report account me. You can report it more than once, can't you?
Sure. If me and you do it both, we should be getting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should not be allowed. That should not be allowed to run. Can't have. That's my first scammer. So you know I'm doing well when you've got a scammer pretending to be you.
It's weird though, because like there's no like link, I don't think, on that page to like go to anything to buy. Maybe
Yeah.
they'll do it from DM.
Yeah. I think they it's because they're using my old name HFX. I think they're gonna get away with it.
Yeah.
I think that's what they're thinking. They're thinking they're gonna get away with that, but they ain't getting away with none.
that cable's coming today, so should be having it all fixed.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So did it have the insert at the back for that cable? Yeah. Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's how I got round your problem.
Yeah,
Basically.
The moment there's like a one HDMI 2 and DisplayPort.
Yeah.
I think the DisplayPort should work.
Yeah.
Do your monitors have sound coming out of them, or do you need to put headphones in?
That is a good question. When you mean by sound, what do you mean, like?
Like, say you were to just like have your monitor and like you went onto YouTube and like press something.
Yeah.
You can hear out the monitor, like the speakers out the monitor.
Yeah. Do you know what? It's obviously since I first got it, I plugged in a headset, so
Yeah,
I can't.
the headset.
Yeah. So that's what I just did basically.
Yeah, that's what I've got in the moment. So.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Because my old monitor used to be able to have sound.
Right.
Do.
I get you. And I'm pretty sure they do make the sound, because I think one time I didn't have it plugged in properly and it would come out. But yeah, I know what you mean.
Okay, about the sound settings or something. Should be fine.
Definitely. Good morning, Tom. So yeah, so as you guys will see, obviously on GJ 30 minute, you have to be very, very careful with this candle, because despite us having a break of the range clearly at 6 AM, the 4-hour bias is heavily bearish. So that's why it's probably on this occasion a good opportunity to wait for some form of a wick to be formed before you take buys. And as you can see, actually, to be honest, it's better to be looking for potential fake outs back into the range to drive down and retest the lows that have been created, and see then if we're going to continue further down. I think that's going to be a much better trade on a Monday than taking buys, but there is still the possibility that we can have price movement bullish, but I have to admit I'd much rather wait for some form of a support to form, just because if you look at the 4-hour, I think the bias there is still very bearish, based on the sell-off and the structure that we're clearly seeing at the moment. So the problem I have with buys is you wouldn't want to buy here. I'd be wanting to buy somewhere within this rejection again if we got some form of a confirmation in that sense. So that's kind of what I'm looking for at the minute, because you can see 4-hour, we're looking for probably this 4-hour candle to flip bearish, so we can take sells for price to continue down, potentially fill the wick, but we can at least get to the low of the range. We might therefore get rejections from this level, but I think coming into volume, etc., if this is a top wick on the 4-hour, we've pushed back into this kind of resistance level here to the left hand side. Okay, on the 4-hour you can see this kind of zone. Okay, we're pulling back to this kind of area, creating resistance now at this stage. If we can close back into the range, I think you're gonna have we should have an easy move coming down to fill the bottom of the range. But that would be my play here for the day. Would make the most sense to me. So we've got like 8 minutes to see what happens. If it closes above the range, the buys could be still valid, so then I'll wait. So we'll see. Right, let's look at gold, because we know gold is dropping. So we can see 4-hour on gold is dropping. We're currently now trying to break down below 1917. So if we are going to continue down, then we could potentially continue down to around 1910, and then we've got further clean moves coming down to 1897. But yeah, I love this new TradingView app, man. Spot on. Got all my tabs up over here. Gold, GN.
Yeah, the tab thing's good. I'm actually going to get it now.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's so much easier. I don't know why, even though it's probably the same, it's just so much easier than clicking through there. I prefer having the tabs at the top. So yeah, so gold 4 hour is definitely bearish at this stage. So we're going to want to see probably some form of a resistance to form. Okay, so 30 minute we can see that price has made a low over here. But we are below we are below our breakout level. So we can see that this is the area that price broke out from during Asian session. Considering that we've made a 30-minute support formed over here, it's probably going to be good to see if we can get a 30-minute candle closing below this support, and then potentially we're going to have the next candle continue down to the next 4-hour level. If we look left on the 30-minute, okay, so we've got a potential little rejection zone right here, but apart from that, I think we're pretty good. Clean ranges. So yeah, I would keep an eye on gold. But that was your most recent range. You can see we broke out of that quite early in this session. So that was at 5:30. We broke down. We made a low at this stage. So now we want to see if we're going to continue down. Because that 15-minute candle did close below after seeing these rejections to the upside. So you would like to say that we're going to continue down. But I think looking at the way this candle's setting up, it's going to be nice to wait for the 30-minute. If not, this 15-minute did give you an opportunity, but you'd have to have stops above here, in my opinion, to be in a safe position. Because now you have a resistance formed. You've got rejections that have formed in this area of wick. Now you've got this low, so now we just need to potentially pull back into here, create rejection, and drive back down again. That's what I'd probably be saying looking at gold here. But we'll keep it on the 30-minute for the minute. So GJ, we've got 5 minutes. We pull back to resistance. We're not quite sure yet what's going to happen here. We've got 5 minutes to find out. And I think if we can get his closure back in the range on the 30-minute, we should have the next candle drive up a little bit and then push down with open. With 7 AM, sorry. That's what I'm kind of looking at as a play here. All gold, look at gold now. Yeah, see 15 minutes now, flipping back. Bearish at this point, 5 minutes. Yeah, gold is looking nice at this stage. So yeah, either like I said, that 15-minute was an opportunity, or if you prefer to wait for the 30-minute, then you can do that. You can wait for the 30-minute, but it looks like the 15-minute is the one that's looking like the play here. So there's been about a 30 pip stop, but you know, you got targets around 22 pips away. There's plenty of room to the downside, so I'm going to keep an eye on gold as well. GJ 4 minutes. Quick little look at GN. Okay, so yeah, we clearly got a break above that resistance during the night on GN. So now we're looking for, can we continue up to next resistance? Looks very likely to me that we're going to drive up to the next 4-hour level. Just look at the lower time frames. So yeah, on the lower time frames, we're clearly moving bullish at this stage. So we had a break of the range to the upside, very heavily bullish bias based off the 4-hour time frame. So a breakout makes sense. So yeah, very tricky to get an entry, but I think there was definite opportunity. If not on this 30-minute closure, you could have then the next candle driving up with GN. So you could wait for this 30-minute candle to close and then look to see if we're going to push up on the next candle. We've got 3 minutes left here for GJ. What's GJ saying stop loss wise? It's about a 20 pip stop, and we've got around 18, 19 pip. Yeah, you could be pretty worth it at that stage to just target the lows. You know, potentially break. You got the wick fill at 164, 100. Could be worth a nice shot at this stage if it doesn't drive down too much. But it should be a good little shot based off the 4-hour. Now you can see is flipping back bearish after. So this top wick of the 4-hour, this is the key though, this top wick of the 4-hour has to be respected. Obviously that's where your stops are going to be above the 30-minute candle, or just above that previous wick there. So we're really going to have to see here, but I think that's going to be the play for me here today. I think that's what I'm looking at here. What are you looking at here, Kelsey?
Yeah, I'll probably get in. I think it would have been nice to see it pull back properly, but you've got a nice bit to head down with some force. The 1 hour looks quite nice. Feels like it's leaving a nice top wick.
Yeah.
Even that area.
Yeah, we may not even close below yet. We have to wait and see. So yeah, that's the plan. We've got a minute and a half. Oh, it's coming down hard in the range in the last minute. And by the way, I'm going to get that account in a minute. I'm going to send it to the YouTube and get everybody to report them. Because YouTube, we've got someone who's trying to impersonate me. The cheeky. We've got scammer alert. Trying to take my photos. Okay, 30 seconds here, boys. Are you in, bro? Not yet. 30 seconds, brother. 30 seconds.
Got to see where it closes.
Yeah, it's got to close back in the range, and then we can have the next candle driving down. Well, that's what we hope, anyway. Somebody. So yeah, we're coming up to the closure of this candle. Should be good at this stage for price to oh man, spreads are so high nowadays. Right, stops are going to be placed above the previous 30-minute candle. We got TP. I'm gonna put the TP down at the wick fill for the minute, but we're gonna watch to see if we can maybe secure it around 276, something like that. It's the MT5, so it's gonna freeze again. I swear, man, this MT5. But yeah, I got in a sell position. Yeah, so I got in a sell position. YouTube. So expecting this current 30-minute candle, it can make a top wick, etc., but it needs to respect this resistance now and continue driving down. And then we may probably close positions around 280s, but it may just smash through, and then obviously we can get a little bit more profit. But we're just gonna have to make sure that at this current stage, the new 1 hour candle, the new 30-minute candle has to obviously respect that previous level, so we can drive down at this current stage. So you can see the 1 hour created a resistance, so we would really have to expect the next 1 hour candle to drive down, right? But it's okay for it to make some form of a top wick at this stage. Morning, took a sell on GJ at 167.20 on Friday and profit at 164.20. Very nice. Very, very good. Very nice. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
I'd hate for it to do this, you know, when it like staggers up, where like.
Yeah, if you get but if you get one of them days, then I mean, it is what it is. But you know, this is the fake out play. You know, you got the 4 hour on your. Yeah, you've got your 4 hour momentum with you. It was all part of the plan, to be honest, but it's just we've got to watch around this 400 level because we don't know yet if we're going to break this support, because this candle didn't. But based off the candle structure on the 30-minute, we expected this 1 hour candle, this 30-minute, to drive down at this stage. So I think it should be cool, but we'll keep an eye on it. In terms of managing risk, you can use a 5-minute. You've got key levels around 600, so you could use that to your. You could use that if you wanted to look at, okay, if we start breaking down below 600, you could start. Breaking above 600, you could start to do something with it, manage the trade potentially. So we'll leave it here for the sec. There we go. So yeah, we want to expect this 30-minute candle to obviously re-break its lows and continue down, and then as we move towards the support, you could definitely put stops to break even. If you're trying to maybe grab more of a push bearish, but it's completely up to you. But I think targeting around the 275 level, this kind of area here, is going to make a lot of sense for a target to actually secure profits. Can we get that move bearish at this stage? Can we get a W here?
Maybe us top wick now.
Yeah, that's what I like to see. 3 pips in profit. Can we get the dubs on a Monday morning?
I finally got magic keys to work, so it wasn't working on my laptop.
Oh, nice.
New version with the ticker in the corner.
Oh, what, you got this now?
Yeah.
Nice. You'll never look back. You'll never.
I think it's overlapped a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does a little bit. Yeah, but it's cool though. I like it. That's the most solid part.
You can change the colour for what it shows you in the corner as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like the blue, to be fair. It's kind of neutral colour, isn't it?
Red for negative. Might keep the blue.
Currently floating around entry at this stage, so we'll see. See if we can get this volume to continue us bearish. Who else is in this trade? But yeah, I was gonna say Mana. That was a nice trade. Who's in these cells? Who got in with these with us? But yeah, that top wick was nice, rejecting off that exact level that we said. But obviously now we have to make sure this candle stays bearish. So if this 30-minute candle starts re-breaking its highs, you could start looking at, okay, what's going to happen here then? And then, you know, you can deal with that. You can deal with that because there'll be 5-minute options there to look at. But now you can see if it's rejecting here, we need to see this candle down over here pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? We should be down, way down over here pretty soon. Come on, GJ. But it can take its time. So let's look on the lower time frames. What's going on over here? So 15 minutes, still trying to set up. Usually this is, you know, the first 15-minute candle is to be expected. 5 minute. If this 5-minute candle is making a nice little top wick to flip, that's going to be pretty solid. That's going to be pretty nice. See what the previous 5-minute candle did. It broke the high and flipped bearish. So keep an eye on this next 5 minute. This current 5 minute could easily be the driver at this stage.
Taking its time at the moment because we're at high time frame level, but volume coming in about 7 now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should get in.
Got around 4 pips in profit. Nice little Raven tune on a Monday morning. 5 pips in profit now. Should be looking good for this to continue down at this stage. Looking pretty solid. Oh, we got 6 pips over here. Very nice. 7. Got 8 pips now. Beautiful. We're nearly approaching.
Should look back now.
Yeah, this should not be coming back now. Oh, here we go, YouTube. 9.5. Can you get the 10 pips for the gang? Come on, GJ. Can we get 10 pips? Oh, nearly. 10 pips for the YouTube community. 9.6, 9.9. Oh, there we go. 10 pips for the YouTube community. We're coming into our potential profit taking area now. So we're going to see if we can still continue this move down and drive. That's a W called in the chat. Make sure you drop a W if you caught 10 pips. If you're still holding, keep it going. Very nice.
So that mine catches big moves.
Does, doesn't he? Who got these sales, guys? 10 pips. 10 pips called in the YouTube community. Let's see if we can squeeze down a bit more now at this stage. Want to see if we can get down to around 277, 250s would be pretty nice. Something around this kind of level. But you could definitely be break even at this stage now, I think. If you're in a trade, you could definitely be break even if you don't want to consider we're coming in. But I think that for me, I want to see the price continue a little bit further down to around 277.
Are you looking for a 1-to-1? Or are you going to?
Yeah, I got to go 1-to-1. But obviously, I want to see if we can actually drive down to this support, which is the bottom of the range. We've not quite hit the bottom of the range. We've just tapped this kind of little level here, but once we actually drive down to the bottom of the range, can definitely then, for me, put stops to break even, and then we should be able to let this potentially run a little bit lower, but we'll see. I kind of want the 1-to-1, but I know that really my move is from the fake out to the bottom of the range. You know, we know that it's very rarely we're going to push beyond that, like, you know, within the same candle, unless this candle can break down, then you've got a nice shot for the next candle to continue that move. But I'm just going to see. But yeah, thanks man, got it, well done. Reply, you got a nice sell there. 10 pips. I'm expecting gold to drop further as well to 1900 below before a new move up. Let's have a look at gold. Oh yeah, gold done the move. Wow, yeah, gold done the move to 1914 as we said. Very nice.
That was simple, wasn't it?
Yeah, very simple.
Oh.
So now we're just waiting for GJ to give us a little bit more of a push. We've only moved 10 pips so far in this session. But at least the community got their 10 pips. That's what I like. That's what I like to hear.
Which goes to the left in it on the higher time frames, you can see.
Yeah.
4 up.
Yeah, I just want to see this bit more volume now, drive this candle, because it's only the first 15 of the 30, so I mean in theory should continue. So yeah, we're currently up around 10, 10.5, 11 pips, 12 pips now. So as we're approaching to this support, just a little bit more, and then we're going to have to put stops to break even.
Yeah, I'm moving on above the high of the current candle right now.
Yeah, that's a good shout. Well,
10 pips
there's no point in me doing that yet. I think it's just a case of once we
break even.
just drop a little bit further. Yeah, because that is technically the target for the session. So I'll then watch for reaction basically. Just wants to drop a little bit more. Just a tad more, eh? We all know you can do it. But at least another W called on stream. Yeah, so you definitely had a good amount of profit there, guys. 11 and a half pips at this current stage. 12 pips. Here we go. Right, I'm moving stops to break even at this point, guys. We've got around 13, 14 pips in profit. So, I'm going to watch now at this stage. See if we can keep going. 15 pips. Looks like we're having a little reaction off there. Yeah. Oh, here we go. 15 and a half, 16 pips. Can we get a little bit more? Oh, 17. Beautiful. Taking that, boys. 18, 17, 18 pips. Beautiful work. Lovely job. W's in the chat. 17 pip. GJ sell called out. Probably still going to continue down. But I'm happy to take that position. 15-minute trade, guys. Beautiful. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Good work. Good work. Yeah, so I got still going for those holding. So you should be well up at this stage. To date today is the 25th. So yeah, we've got £99 profit today, people. Look at that. £99 profit today. Oh. Oh, still dropping. The monstrous move we got here today. Oh, looks like it's coming all the way down to my TP. 34 pips. Tell me you held this, Kelsey.
Yes.
He held it.
I'm out.
Oh my god, wow. Well done, mate.
Yeah.
Well held. I literally, once I saw like 17, I was pretty happy with that. But yeah, you got the 1-to-1 today, boy.
Let's see how many bit. I think I held it a bit longer because I didn't have a TP set.
Nice work.
Yeah,
amazing trade. Yeah, very nice.
Pips.
You got 30 pips. Beautiful.
Nearly. Well, it's a price 433 exit. I got 29.
Oh, amazing. I think I got 17. GJ sells plus 17 pips.
Nah, good day.
Amazing day.
Not really.
Simple day. Simple day. Straightforward. Said exactly what we were looking for, and it played out to the T. That actually played out to the T. So YouTube, drop them W's, mate. We just called a 30 pipper. In fact, I need to put in there that it ran 30 pips because it just ran heavy. Amazing day. Well done, people. Well done, YouTube. Here, bang your profits in. How much did you go one lot?
Yeah, I got 160.
Ooh, very nice. Oh,
Yeah,
look at
I'm
this.
Just doing one lots just over both accounts until I get my setup sorted out properly.
Yeah,
so.
nice. Oh, look at that, man. We literally said come down and fill the wick. It's filled it complete. That is just so simple. That's a good Monday morning, boys and girls.
And it's still early as well.
Still very early. Amazing. Pleased with that. And we called out gold sells. So if we look at the 30-minute, yeah, 30-minute candle, yeah, but 15 minutes definitely gave you the opportunity there for me. So we called out gold sells, and they also ran 30 pips. 30 pips, so we've got to change this as well.
Yeah, well, that is GJ done. It's already hit 164 pretty much.
Yeah.
Now, madness. Oh, dear, still going.
Is it?
Yeah. It's at 164. Imagine you're still holding this now. You'd be up 40 pips.
Oh wow. Oh, holy. Yes.
Look at that.
Yes. Yes. That is what I'm talking about. Right, YouTube, you lot definitely owe me one today. So we're gonna need you lot to do me a favor. Well, let me get this account. Right, YouTube, I need a favor. This Instagram account is currently a scammer. She's
block it.
She's taken my photos. Pearl Gerald. Oh, okay, right, people, you need to go and report this account. Yeah, they're pretending to be me on the gram. I'm gonna put this account, but yeah, drop a W in the stream if you caught today's sales, because I mean, we literally put that on a plate for you. We literally said 30-minute closure back in the range. The next candle should respect the previous resistance. Once it drives down, you can go break even around 276, which we done, and then you can see if it's going to push a little bit more. It moved about 17 pips. I closed positions, and now it's currently run about 30 pips. But yeah, right, let me get this account in there. What did I say her name was?
Pearl Gerald 01.
I feel kind of important now that I've got it. I feel like yeah, I think that means I'm getting somewhere in life now. I've got someone pretending to be me. Right, everybody, I need a favor. Just one favor from you guys. Please go and report that account, because I can't be having people scammed. You know what people are like. They'll get scammed and blame me, even though nothing I can do about somebody, a scam artist on Instagram pretending to be me. There's not much I can do. I can report them. I can make you aware. In fact, that's what I need to do. I need to put a screenshot and say go report this account on my Instagram story as well. Right, but yeah, well done YouTube, well done everybody today. We had a very, very good day. So
I love it when it moves into profit like that.
Yeah, trust.
Nice million.
Good welcome back for you, eh, mate?
Yeah, definitely. Because the last couple of weeks it's been very slow moving, isn't it? Sitting there for like an hour of the trade.
Trust. But yeah, 30 pips on a one lot, that's delicious. Can't even lie. But yeah, pleased with today. Amazing Monday morning. So we had, in fact, we didn't even check GN. So much go. Oh, okay, no to GN. GN did not play out. Yeah, GN did not play out. I repeat. So maybe not to GN, but I mean GJ and Gold played out pretty beautifully, to be fair. GJ especially, that was the trade that we actually took today, so more than happy with today's session. And in fact, I mean, you could have caught an absolute monstrous move to start the session. I mean, we're talking this candle's now 50 pips, 45 pips. So what a day. all the way back down to 164. Could not be better. So yeah, please YouTube, do me a favor. Please go and report that account. We can't be having people pretending to be me. You know, you guys wouldn't like it, and especially somebody's probably gonna get scammed by her, and I don't want that. So yeah, otherwise, you know, normally I wouldn't give a shit. Can we all go ahead and like the stream? Takes 1 second to do that. Adolfo, you're absolutely right. Please, everybody, go like the stream. I think it's the least we can do, considering we made you some money today. I would like to think. You know what I'm saying?
Perfect best on it of that level.
Yeah, literally. Tapped it, bomb. See you later. That was a serious see you later, wasn't it, mate?
Oh yeah. Doesn't get much better than that, mate. 15 minutes.
Nope.
Yeah, no.
No, exactly right. So yeah, people, make sure you drop a like on the stream, man. We're doing this, man. Since I've come back, YouTube it's just been mad. It's just been, some of the trades we've called out have just been class. Yeah. If I do say so myself. That was a class trade, man. You can't get a better trade where you're in and out within the first 15 minutes. I mean, and it's moved like 20 pips. You know, some people sit in the trade for hours just to get 20 pips. You know what I'm saying?
To be honest, even like a while ago, I would have been probably taking buys here.
Yeah.
And I would have been done in proper.
Yeah, and then we'd have looked at that.
Yeah. You wouldn't take the sell because you just took a loss. Yeah.
No, that's right. That's the thing. I didn't want to just jump in buys this morning because I was thinking, 4 hours just so bearish. So I kind of had to know that, okay, to be honest, there's no higher support in this case. There's no structure. That's why there was nothing for me. Like here, it may look like a higher support, but that rejection came off that level. So we basically just had a range, a break, but no higher support. And that's why I was like, there's nothing there for me. You know, and we're so heavily bearish on the 4 hour. That's what I was looking for. Literally, I said to you this morning, I was like, I'm looking for this candle to fake us out and then take entries, stops above there, and then we can look to push back down to the low and then potentially fill that wick. And it was just, yeah, it was just simple. So, but yeah, YouTube, you lot are quiet, man. I thought you lot would be popping off Monday morning, 30 pips, 20 pips.
40 pips.
50 pips. You know what I mean? You lot should be going
Yeah,
crazy.
53.
Yeah. And it even said about if you wanted to get in off the 30 minute, you're even laughing on gold. You could currently be up about 17 pips on gold right now. Using the 30 minute to your advantage. So yeah.
George just replied to me on the London session thing.
Oh yeah, what's he saying?
Two laughing faces. But yeah, 167 I got in the end.
106, yeah, that's pretty solid, mate.
Yeah, on one lot, that's a lot.
You did well because once I saw it was up at like, you know, remember it was like 15 pips over here, and I was thinking, pretty nice. And then it just dropped down to like 17. I was like, yep, I'm happy.
I know. I just for one to ones at the moment, they are banging. They are good. So.
Oh yeah. I know what you're saying.
I think it's Monday, isn't it? You just like your profits on Monday. You can't go wrong.
Yeah. I mean, I had my stop above the previous 30, so I had about a 22 pip stop. So yeah, I could have gone for the 22, which would have been around basically 200. So I mean, there's really not much in it. It was like from there to there. But look, at the end of the day, like, you know, as long as you're not getting 10 pips, but your risk was 20. If it's 2-3 pips here and there, I don't think that's too bad. So like for me, I got 17, but my risk was 20, 22. All right, maybe 5 a little bit, but you know, it's a like you say, it's a Monday, and when you start off with it on a Monday with profit, you know, it's much easier to then say, cool, come Tuesday, Wednesday, I can make sure I can hold them trades properly.
Yeah, exactly.
But I mean, for me, like I did say, like at the end of the day, I don't know that we're gonna get past this because that's the support that we've created. Like in terms of actual, forget the one-to-one. In terms of structure, that's your low. There's your pullback resistance form. That's your move. You get what I mean? That's just a maybe. Because that was actually a rejection wick on the previous 4 hour that left the 4 hour to close like that. So you don't know for certain that we're going to fill that wick if there's a support around here. That's why sometimes you get the next 4 hour like creating that wick rejection and you think, oh, but why didn't it fill it? Well, because there was a support within that wick and it didn't like it.
We could have easily rejected off here and then come back to here to form more resistance. Then
Exactly.
come down.
Exactly, but this is still dropping, still going.
All right, it's nearly 100. Well, say
Trust.
100. 60 bits.
So many people, fair amount of people DMing me to say they caught, got like 5 DMs saying that they caught the move off the YouTube.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like to hear, man. People actually properly benefiting from the stream. You know, I could happily just sit here on my computer, just me and Kelsey doing this by ourselves, not having to help anybody out. But I mean, we just called we've called a monstrous move here today. I mean, look at that. It's a 70 pip candle. Oh my days.
You think some people probably still holding this? Maybe not the YouTube, but
no, maybe not YouTube. Yeah, but someone's definitely in the cell, and they're like, yeah, push it down to here.
I'll get out to 30 loads or something.
Yeah, and they just got their week's profit. But yeah.
I doubt there'll be anything else this session.
No, that's my. If you missed this move, do not try and be a hero. Do not. 30-minute closed. Yeah, do not try and be a hero thinking, right, we've broken support now, I'm gonna take sells. No, do not be a hero. You have way missed the move. If you're looking for a move now, you're gonna have to use lower time frame to use this low to pull back into here, create some form of resistance before open, then maybe you could get that move. But fact of the matter is, you have missed that move 100%. In terms of gold as well, you've missed a move down from 1916 down to 1914. That was the move. Say goodbye. It's done. GN, don't even go near it. No idea why it's being like that today.
You know all this news that's going on with Japan?
Yeah.
You know, we had that big push up last month, last Tuesday, and then it corrected Friday. I'm wondering if if you go on the date, you have to steer. Last Tuesday on the 19th, we had that big push up, and then it got corrected on Friday. So it's this.
Yeah.
Do you think that whole kind of thing started maybe from down here when we broke out that strong resistance?
Yeah.
Now back down to that.
Yeah. We could correct the whole thing for sure.
Yeah.
Or it's a case of we're gonna pull back to here, because even though we broke that here, we had a little bit of a pullback. Support formed around 163, and then we drove up. So potentially we could drive back down in theory, to 163, and then you'll probably see a rejection like that.
Yeah.
Tapping into this kind of zone, and because that's going to be a big ass zone now for demand. If you think like you can't go from 168 to back down to 163, and that says some fundamentals. So it's clearly fundamentally needed to be corrected. So we might not get up to here for a long time now. Because if you think back to the other times that moves have been corrected, like for example here.
Oh, there, yeah.
We had a big move up over here. We corrected it, and we had to pull all the way back down to the previous lows before driving up again. It was, that state of GJ was just so different. It was just That's when GJ was in the massive areas,
That was like a 6-month period before we broke out.
Trust. And then since moving to the upside, we've just had this big monstrous move. So I personally think, really, this is going to be our area. Probably 160s is going to be the area that eventually we'll need to come back to generate more buyer liquidity, and then we'll long term make our way back up to these highs when there's more fundamentally that makes sense around that. But yeah, this is just dropping. It's just straight up dropping at this stage. But yeah, be careful getting in sells now. You know, if you're gonna, you need to wait to really before open to see what happens, because there might be a little opportunity just before open, but it's tricky. But yeah, gold is still continuing to move bearish. Right, I'm just gonna go make a quick cup of tea now, because my job really is done for the day. But you know, we obviously got a commitment to the YouTube, so I'm gonna quickly go make my drink. We'll chill for another we'll chill for another half hour, and then we'll see what's up. See if there's another little opportunity before open. Not for me to take, but for me to commentate, not take. But yeah, so make sure you drop a like on the stream today, guys. Make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube. Remember, we're still doing our giveaway, so don't forget that. So yeah. So make sure you drop a like on the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. You know the drill. We're slowly getting that growth. It takes time. You know, it does take time. But it's good. We've got a solid base now. You know, 20 people that come on every day. I'm pleased with that. So thank you to you guys. Showed your loyalty. But obviously, you know, I do give back to you guys as well. That's what it's all about.
Look at GJ now, still going. It's at like 80, over 80.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, I don't see an opportunity getting in there. You just haven't even had one 5-minute pullback. Just straight bearish.
It was a little bit like Friday, but obviously Friday, that was some big candles there, wasn't it? You had news in it as well.
Yep. Right, let me go get the drink. Drop a like. Come on, guys. We've got 19 people, only 11 likes. We can be doing better than that. Well, I'll leave it on gold just because GJ we know is going to keep dropping, but gold will be an interesting one. So I'm interested in gold. Okay, I'll be back literally 2 minutes. So bear with. Kelsey, have you going or?
Yeah, I want to go as well.
Alright, cool. 2-6.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. A world chase night. Erase all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Yo.
Oh, I've literally just got back exactly the same time as you.
No way.
Yeah.
Looks like gold continued down. GJ still
What?
dropping.
Over 100 now.
Amazing.
Still no 5 minute candle.
Oh no. Mad. Yeah, well, I think 163 is incoming today. As we were trying to say. VQL, WWW 6%. Oh, nice. That's a solid day. 6%. Yeah, 6% is very good for the day. So well done, VQL. Very nice. Gold's still trying to continue down. Yeah, should with MY volume push down to 1910 to be honest today. Looking at the dailies. Yeah, 1910 should be incoming easy on gold. Should be incoming easy. And I think for the weekly, if we're going to break down below that weekly, we're probably going to fill these wicks and drive down to around the 1890s, to be honest. So yeah, I think for the week, that's the target on gold. Gold. So it's been a good day today. Apart from GN. GN was the only one that just made no sense whatsoever.
Looking for a buy?
Well, the bias was bullish. 4 hours bullish. Everything was sort of bullish, and then obviously we've just smashed down for some reason. It's the problem. But yeah.
It's like it's near the highs again. It's like rejected.
Yeah, I mean, you would have thought after that candle that we should continue on at that stage, but then it came down and it just smashed down. But yeah, it felt good to get a little paycheck from YouTube today, I tell you. Waking up to that was quite funny.
When was the last time you got paid? I suppose because you haven't streamed for so long.
Not since the last time I streamed.
Yeah.
So that long ago. Yeah, I mean it was only like 60 quid, but I mean, I was just like, I'll take it. But obviously, you know, I don't come here do YouTube for the money. Like, I don't need £60 a month. You know, it's not gonna do much for me. But obviously, you know, every little bit helps. And obviously, I do the YouTube because of the fun. I like the fact I can stream and I can chill, discuss. You know, and as the stream grows, because it will grow again. You know, people are starting to see now. You know, when I've come back, that you know clearly, you know, getting it right a lot of the time. I don't think we've had that many losses actually on stream. I think we've just had a good amount of win. I'll have to check the record, but oh, here we go. Your support request from April 24th has just been updated. So what does that mean? We didn't remove.
How? It was literally you reporting it.
Are they for real?
When did you receive that?
Just now. Oh man, I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need a few people to do this because we can't. How are they not gonna? Man, Instagram are just a joke, man. They make me laugh. You say something they don't agree with, and they will chop you down. And then you've got someone impersonating somebody, and they're not going to remove them.
I'm gonna report again.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, please, because I mean, yeah, it says here we didn't remove the account due to higher volume of the reports we receive.
Oh.
However, our technology. No, but it says, however, our technology has found that this account probably doesn't. What do you mean probably doesn't go against our community guidelines?
maybe so many people done it. Well, you'd think if everyone's blocking it, it should be more of a reason.
Are they for real though, man? What the hell? What is wrong with Instagram? Seriously, you actually get someone still like impersonate you, and that's their AI bot doesn't pick that up or whatever. Mate, they are a joke.
Evolved.
Sorry, mate.
Like a lot of it's like no humans evolved. It's like a lot of YouTube stuff. They give you like certain copyrights where they like delete your videos without really even having a look at it.
Come close to me. I'll whisper in your ear the things that
I'm gonna report it a couple times. Yeah, it's just annoying though, isn't it? I mean, there's clearly human people doing it though, because they're like, I know because I've heard they've been taking down particular people's Instagrams and blocking
there's
their Instagram.
some, but a lot of it is AI now.
Yeah, well, I've no doubt about that, but I mean, they're clearly making it so biased because they're taking down people for no reason, and then they're not taking down someone who's that's literally like, that's like arresting somebody just walking down the street because you don't like the look of them, compared to someone just robbed an old lady and you let them walk on free.
Leave it. Badness.
Yeah, so please, YouTube, please do me a favor, go and report this account, because now Instagram is saying they're not going to take them down. At the end of the day, you know what, I couldn't really care less, but obviously I'm a good person. There's going to be someone that's going to clearly get scammed out there. You know, there's people that just do not use their brain, and obviously the only thing I can do is to try and prevent that. That's about it. That's literally all I can do. So yeah, do me a solid. Go and report that account. Cheeky little bugger, man. Did you watch the Fury fight the other night, Kels?
I started watching it at like round, like 2 or 3.
What did you
Yeah.
did you
I saw
buy it
that.
live or?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
on a legal stream on my phone.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. To be fair, I did pay for it. On BT Sport. Yeah, so I watched all the pre-fights and everything. Some of the pre-fights were excellent.
Are they?
Yeah. Yeah, there's some good pre-fights to be fair.
What arena was it held at?
Wembley.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was at Wembley,
It was
mate.
in the UK.
94,000
it was on
people.
earlier, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
94,000.
I liked how he pushed them after he knocked them out.
Yeah. Just say, get on the floor.
No one's stopping him.
No, I know.
I don't know what it is about him.
I don't know either. Wow, GJ is just dropping.
I haven't seen that for a while.
No, neither.
Normally it's for buys as well.
Mm. Okay, couple more minutes, guys, then we're gonna call it a day over here. But it's been a good day today. Pleased with that. GJ still dropping. Looks like 163 is the target here for today, as we were saying earlier on the high time frames. So yeah, looks like we were correct on that one. 4 hours just dropped. That 1 hour candle.
Yeah.
Beast of a 1 hour candle. So yeah, good day today. I have a feeling this week's gonna be a solid week. I can't even lie. I have a feeling this last week of April is gonna come out of a bang.
Yeah, we ain't got much news on that.
Nah.
Volume's in, so
Trust.
look forward to it, mate.
Yeah. Especially when you get a nice 17 pepper to start the week. I only chucked a 1 lot on it though.
Oh, well.
Good. Yeah, don't matter. So I'll be probably onto the 2s very soon. I know. I'm just waiting for that nice opportunity to drop the 2. But it will
You
come.
might as well wait for a month at this point.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for next month. Yeah. Just get April out of the way, innit? Alright, we'll quickly see what open does. See if he's gonna retrace to flip or drive down or what. But we'll see. See if open's gonna continue this move. But we are coming up to this next 4 hour support, so we'll have to see. And obviously gold at the minute, 30-minute is now rejected and broken that resistance. So will we get a corrective move up with open coming back to 1922? And will we get a fake out of this support at this stage? Very possible. If you now look, we started to create resistance. 30-minute came up, rejected. Is open going to drive and continue that move at this stage? Very possible. But that we're gonna have the time to see if it does that or not. But GJ, I think, yeah, I don't think anybody should be trying to do anything with it now at this stage. The move has happened, you missed it. Unfortunately, that is just the way that it goes. Alright then, YouTube, we're going to call it a day. So thanks very much for coming on, really appreciate that. So like I say, gold, keep an eye, maybe we're going to get that corrective move coming up to 1922, considering we create resistance and we're rejecting that now, we're breaking that. So I think open could continue that little move up there on gold. GJ, there's no options at this stage. If you missed a move, I would just accept that you missed a move. You know, if you're going to try and be a hero and take sells, put stops above current 1 hour and all that, I mean, you're playing a very dangerous game considering you had a very easy option here earlier on. So yeah, don't try and be a hero at this stage. But yeah, and then GM, we know GM just dead at this point. So thanks very much everyone, take care. See you in the morning. Same time tomorrow. Drop a like on the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. And please, guys, if you get just a spare 1 minute of your time, please go and report that account. The name is in the chat there. Pearl Gerald01. Please go and report that. They're stealing my content. I don't want anybody getting scammed and come crying to me. So yeah, please, please, please do me a solid. But yeah, alright YouTube, take care. Have a good rest of your trading day. And yeah, we'll see everybody. Tomorrow. So enjoy, guys, and thanks very much.
Guys. Cheers for that.
Oh, what's that about? Yeah, no problem. See you, YouTube. Thanks very much. Let's just get the music off. Music's off. Zoom.